Welcome back. Nationalist Congress feels that it has paid the price for anti-Congress impact in the State Assembly poll. State Party observer Sandesh Konvilkar, while speaking to media persons, made it clear that the party's Goa unit will no more be a test lab. He said the party will be strengthened with the remaining fleet, hinting a revamp of the State Executive Committee.
बरोबर आहे यांनी म्हटलं तसं एकटा काँग्रेसलाही दोष देता येणार नाही. समजलं काय? आम्ही जेव्हा त्यांच्याबरोबर आघाडी केली ती विचारपूर्वकच केलेली आघाडी आहे. त्यामुळे त्यांनी जे म्हटलं ते त्याचं काही सुक्याबरोबर जसं ओळं जळतं तसं आम्हालाही त्याचे चटके लागले. परंतु आम्ही तो मित्रपक्ष असल्यामुळे आम्ही त्याला दोष देणार नाही. झालं गेलं गंगेला मिळालं या अर्थाने आम्ही आमची वाटचाल नव्या उमेदीने करायचं ठरवलं आहे. आपलं म्हणणं बरोबर आहे असं मी मानतो. प्रयोगशाळा झाली हे जसं आपल्याला समजतंय आणि ते आमच्या निदर्शनास आणलं त्याबद्दल मी आपल्याला धन्यवाद देतो. परंतु आता ती प्रयोगशाळा राहणार नाही. आणि दुसरी गोष्ट अशी आहे की आपल्याला माहिती आहे की ही प्रयोगशाळा का झाली तर कुणी त्याच्यात काही बदल केले नाहीत म्हणून ते तर सातत्य राहिल्यामुळे प्रयोगशाळा झाली. आणि आपल्याला माहिती आहे 3 प्रश्नांचं एकच उत्तर आहे. घोडं अडलं का, पान सडलं का आणि भाकरी करपली का, तर न फिरवल्याने. आता साहेबांनी हे सगळं फिरवलेलं आहे आणि आम्ही ते इथे सगळं फिरवा करून त्याची जुळवाजुळव करून मजबूत पक्ष उभा करायचं हे आम्ही ठरवलं.
It is now clear that the private vehicle owners in South Goa ferrying children to school have to follow guidelines governing school buses. Administration has also ordered school buses to undergo a fitness test every 6 months instead of the annual 1 year. South Goa collector has given a time limit till September.
They are bounded with the directives, although the Supreme Court are heavily come and fix the guidelines, including the buses. There are some safety measures. When you are taking the children where there is no safety measure, or tomorrow some accident took place, something happened to the children, then finally responsibility comes to the administration. So I think parents should cooperate to the administration or see if they are working in their interest, not the interest of somebody.
South Goa Collector N.D. Agarwal held a media briefing at Margaon. He has also made it clear that the school buses have to undergo a fitness test every 6 months. Earlier, the tests were conducted annually.
We have reviewed. Actually, in the last meeting, we discussed. Although we have the fitness checking by RTO of the buses once in a year. So we have taken the decision that in place of once a year, you every 6 months you check the buses who's carrying the children, school buses.
Collector also informed media that 5 lakhs would be spent on repair and safety measures at the various ferry points.
And it is reported to me by the traffic police today also one accident in Vasco. By the minor injury of the 3 school children. That is the accident happened. I think some bus has been hit to something else.
Our reporter from Margaon, Savio Dias.
Delegation of commuters travelling from Kule and Vasco have demanded that the train timings should be reverted. They have now submitted a memorandum to the South Goa MP Francisco Sardina pressing for their demands. Sardina is assured to look into the matter.
Commuters travelling from Pune Vasco are not happy with the change in timings of the train. They claim that they have to face hardship. Passengers don't reach their office in time. They have demanded that the timing should be reverted back.
They give us second class treatment, second class citizen treatment. They are not giving importance to the local train. They should give, because our morning and evening, because if we are going late, half day wages are coming. Students also suffering. Students were already planned to leave this train.
They have submitted a memorandum to South Goa MP Francisco Sardina. He has assured to look into the matter.
The timings which they were following earlier, they have been changed, and I'll make sure that I will call them, the people at the Helm of Affairs, have discussion with them and see that they are changed, brought back to the original timings. Second thing, they were talking of raising the platform. I'll take up with the railway authorities. And also third thing about the cleanliness, immediately as far as the cleanliness is concerned, I'll talk to the concerned officers and see that they maintain the premises clean.
Early on 5th July, agitated commuters had blocked the train at Madgaon. Our reporter from Madgaon, Savio Dias.
Kurturi Gram Sabha was held amidst chaos and heated discussions. People demanded transparency in the Panchayat administration. They have asked the Gram Sabha and minutes of the Panchayat meeting to be displayed on the notice board.
The Gram Sabha discussed various issues pertaining to performance of the Panchayat and development in Kurturi. A resolution was passed at the Gram Sabha on Sunday to constitute a ward committee which would supervise and develop each ward in the village.
The Panchayat should do this collection of land revenue, collection of tax. Tax member act kurpalale you act. The Panchayat financial position varina. Sheki asaki. Taklamate issue on revenue collection.
Deputy Sarpanch of Kurturi assured the people to take action on illegal kiosks.
आज इकरा मेंबर वयर आले युनायटेड आले आणि लोकांनी बरे एक्टिवली पार्टिसिपेट जाले गांवचे बऱ्या बद्दल बरी बाताबात जाल्या आज आम्ही एन्युअल प्लॅन तोय हे केला दुसरा बोर्ड डेव्हलपमेंट कमिटी केले कमिटी काढला ते बरे भाशेन जाले दुसरे डेव्हलपमेंटल एक्टिविटी आहे सगळे इक्वली हें करतले म्हण सगळ्या सापड घेवन ते करता मागेला दुसरें लोकांगेले जायती सजेशन आसली इम्प्रुवमेंट करपाक ती आमी आयकून गेले चड करून ते इलिगल गाडा बाडा कितें आसा तेजेर आमी एक्शन घेवपाक गेला.
Reporter Savio Dias for Prudent Media.
News from sports after we come back from a short break. Stay tuned.